I'm Zara, I'm a Devon care leaver and I'm going to explain to you what a health passport is. What is a health passport? A health passport isn't anything to do with a holiday. A health passport is really handy. It's a small book that allows you to store all your health info in one place, such as immunisation history and details of your birth. There's even space to jot down the numbers of your doctors and dentists. So, why are health passports useful?
They see me rolling, they hate it.
If you become ill or need medical help, you should find having all the information in one handy book really useful. Your GP should have all this information, but this is your own personal copy. So you can quickly look up all this information should you need it. So you can add to your health passport all throughout your life. It may be useful if you ever become pregnant. How much are they? They're free. What if I lose my health passport? Contact your local children in care team and we'll send you another one for free. When will I be offered my health passport? You should be offered a health passport at the time of your review assessment around your 16th birthday. This time was specifically picked by young people as it helps to link it to your pathway plan. What happens if I miss my health review? Can I still get a health passport? Of course! Contact your local team and they'll send it in the post for free. What have other young people said about the health passports? Young people have told us that they're really useful and all the information inside. Any questions? Contact the Children in Care nurses on 033 00 245 321 or the participation team on Stand Up, Speak Up. Okay, and always remember to wear your helmet.